Hello everyone. So this time I'm going to tackle about the higher order derivatives. So what is higher order derivatives? So higher order derivatives refers to the repeated process of taking derivatives, and it's applied to sketch curves, motions, problems, and other application. So we have examples. First example is find the second derivative of the given equation. So we're going to find the second derivative of this equation. So we have to follow the derivative rules, the rule of derivatives, so that we can come up the answer of we can come up the second derivative of this equation. So first we're going to find the first derivative. First derivative, that would be, so we have here exponent. We're going to bring down this exponent. So we have 3 times 3, then x raised to 3 minus 1. That is rule of derivative. We're going to subtract the exponent from 1. So 3 minus 1 minus the derivative of this 2x, that would be 2. Okay, so if we're going to find the second derivative, we're going to simplify this. So, we have 3 times 3, that would be 9. Then x, copy the x, and then the exponent, subtract 3 minus 1, that would be 2. So 9x squared minus 2. So that is the first derivative. Now, we're going to find the second derivative. This symbol here indicates that second derivative. So, the same process, we have 9 times 2, and then x raised to 2 minus 1, and then the derivative of this, that would be 0. The derivative of constant is always equal to 0. So simplify. Second derivative, 9 times 2, that would be 18. And then x, so 2 minus 1, that would be 1. So 18x minus 0. So minus 0. So we don't need to write this 0 to our final answer. So the final answer would be 18x. The second derivative of this equation, that would be 18x. So we have second example. Find the third derivative if y equals 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed plus 2x minus 5. So this time we're going to find first the first derivative. So first derivative equals the same process, 2 times 4x, 4 minus 3, and then 3 times, bring down the exponent, 3x, 3 minus 1 plus 2. So 2 minus so the derivative of this constant, that would be 0. So no need to write. So first derivative, y prime equals 2 times 4, that would be 8, x raised to 4 minus 1, that would be 3, minus 3 times 3, that would be 9, x, 3 minus 1, that would be 2, plus 2. So we have first derivative, 8x cubed minus 9x squared plus 2. That is the first derivative. So now we're going to find the second derivative. So the same process, y second derivative 8 times 3x raised to 3 minus 1 minus 9 times 2x 2 minus 1. Then according to the rule of derivative, so the constant will be 0. So we need to write that. So 1 second derivative equals 8 times 3, that would be 24. X squared minus 18 x 1. So our second derivative is 24x squared minus 18x. So now we're going to find the third derivative. So 24, the same process, that would be 24 times 2x minus, it would be 18. So our third derivative, 24 times 2, that would be 48. 48x minus, so minus 1, so that would be 18. So that would be the third derivative. Thank you.